Hello, students. A very good morning to you all. Myself, Nima Dabi, your science educator. Dear students, hope you all are fit and fine at your places. And I know you had enjoyed Diwali very much, right? So, dear students, now let's back to our studies, right? So, before Diwali, we have done chapter number 2, safety and first aid, right? So, today we will do the revision of whole chapter. Fine? So, students, let's start it. Before starting the chapter, let's see what is the thought of the day. So, the thought of the day is one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. So, students, be positive in any situation. Okay? Let's do the revision of chapter number 2, safety and first aid. Accidents. What is accidents? An unexpected error that might lead to you being hurt is called an accident. कोई अनएक्सपेक्टेड इवेंट हो जाता है जिसकी वजह से आपको हर्ट हो जाता है, लग जाती है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? एक्सीडेंट. It can be happen if you are careless. When you get hurt, it is painful. It take time to get better, right? Accidents can happen anywhere and at any time. You have to be careful to avoid accidents. You have to follow some safety rule. If you follow some safety rule, you will protect yourself from any kind of accidents. Okay, so let's see what are our safety rules. In previously we have studied about many safety rules, right? So first of all, let's see what is safety at home. What we can do, the things that can protect ourselves from any of the accidents. So let's see safety at home. In that, first is do not leave your books and toys lying on the floor because someone might trip over them and fall. Knives, blades, and scissors are sharp. They can cut you. Always use them in the presence of an adult. Okay? Playing with matchstick is dangerous. Use them only in the presence of adult. Always put out a matchstick before throwing it away. Yes, and I know this Diwali you all have used the matchstick, and I'm expecting that everyone had used very safely. Always be careful with fireworks. They can explode and cause burns. Ask adult to help you light firework. This Diwali, I know you all have enjoyed the crackers, right? Bursting of crackers. So, I know and I'm expecting that all the students have carefully bursted the crackers. Electrical things. Electrical items are really dangerous. I know. And you all know, right? Electrical things are useful as they make our work easier, but if they are not used carefully, they can be dangerous and give electric shock. So please be careful while using any of the electrical items, and never play with plug point, open wires, or electrical things. Dear students, never try to taste anything you do not know about. Okay? So please taste anything that you know. Never try to taste anything you do not know. Yes, this is the most important safety. Do not fly kites or play on the terrace. You can fall off if you are not careful. Yes, please avoid playing in terrace because it can be dangerous. Now let's see what are the safety at school. What precaution we have to follow in school. Running up and down in a staircase is dangerous. Do not push anyone on stairs. Yes, आप किसी को भी push नहीं करेंगे stairs में because ये dangerous हो सकता है. So stairs पे बार बार चढ़ना उतरना एंड किसी को पुश करना, जल्दी जल्दी दौड़ना, इट कैन बी डेंजरस. सो ऑलवेज फॉलो अ लाइन बिफोर कम डाउन इन द स्टेयरकेस. क्लासरूम आर नॉट फॉर रनिंग एंड प्लेइंग. येस, जो हमारे क्लासरूम्स होते हैं ना बेटा, वो स्टडीज़ के लिए होते हैं. दे आर नॉट फॉर प्लेइंग एंड रनिंग. बिकॉज जो बेंचेस होते हैं उनके कॉर्नर बहुत ही शार्प होते हैं, और अगर आप क्लासरूम में खेलेंगे तो वो आपको लग सकते हैं, राइट. सो प्लीज़ अवॉइड प्लेइंग एंड रनिंग इन द क्लासरूम. क्लाइंबिंग ऑन द डेस्क एंड प्लेइंग इनसाइड द क्लासरूम कैन कॉज एन एक्सीडेंट. Corridor. What is the use of corridors in school? Corridors is used for walking. Yes, हम लोग corridors पे क्या करते हैं बेटा? चलते. Corridors are for walking, not for running. So do not run in the corridors because corridors are for walking. Now we will study about safety on playground. What precaution we can take in playground to avoid accidents? First of all, while playing on the slide or the swing, wait for your turn. आप जब भी स्लाइड्स पे या स्विंग पे बैठते बेटा, प्लीज़ अपनी टर्न का वेट करेंगे. आप किसी को भी पुश नहीं करेंगे स्लाइड पे, राइट, बिकॉज ये डेंजरस हो सकता है. Now the most important thing, not only in playground, in each and every sports you have to follow some rules to avoid accidents. So playing games is a lot of fun, but there are rules to be followed in every game, right? So if you do not follow the rules of the game, you can hurt others as well as yourself also. So please follow the rules in each and every game. Now, safety on roads. Let's see what are the safety precautions or precaution we can take while crossing or walking in the road. Many accidents happen on road. Be careful when you walk to school or home. Always walk on footpath. Okay students, so while you are walking on the road, you have to walk on footpath because many accidents occurs in road. And if you want to cross the road, you have to use the zebra crossing. While crossing the road, you have to use zebra crossing. When you are riding a bicycle on a road, please keep yourself on the left side. Signal with your hand before you turn. Whenever you want to take turn, just signal your hand to take turn. Watch the traffic signal. When the light turns red, it means you have to stop. The orange light tells you have to wait. And when the light turns green, then you can go. So you have to take care all the signals and you have to follow the traffic rule while you are riding the bicycle or any vehicle. Now, let's talk about first aid. What is first aid? If someone get hurt in an accident, do not panic. Try to stay calm and help the injured person. The first help that an injured person get is called first aid. Okay students, so during accidents, if person get injured and the first help that he get is known as फर्स्ट एड. अगर कोई पर्सन इंजर्ड हो जाता है और उसको जो फर्स्ट हेल्प मिलती है टू क्योर, दैट इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट एड. सो इफ वाउंड इज ब्लीडिंग, वॉश इट विथ क्लीन वाटर. वाइप इट विथ एन एंटीसेप्टिक सच एज डेटॉल. If the bleeding does not stop, tie a bandage. Loss of too much blood is dangerous for injured person. If someone get burned, place the part of body that is burned under running cold water. अगर किसी को कुछ बर्न हो जाता है तो आप उसका हाथ या जो भी बर्न पार्ट है आप उसको रनिंग कोल्ड वाटर के नीचे रख दोगे. Keep it there until it stop hurting. If there are blisters, do not try burst them. Cover the burn with a dry, clean handkerchief. After giving first aid to the person, ask an adult to call a doctor, so the doctor can take care them very nicely. If the person is hurt seriously, immediately call an adult and ask for a doctor. Stop people from crowding around. Only trained people should give first aid to serious injured person. अगर आप फर्स्ट एड दे देते हैं, उसके बाद आप किसी एडल्ट को बोलेंगे कि किसी डॉक्टर को बुलाए, सो कैन डॉक्टर ईज़िली और अच्छे से उनका टेक केयर कर सके. So students, here the revision of your chapter is completed. I will see you in the next period with some new interesting chapter. Fine? So till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.